Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Impulse. So in this video we will be discussing about Nifty. We will try to project seeing the price action of Nifty, that where it could go next. Will it go up or will it go down? So instead of Nifty I will use the sgxnifty because the price action will be smooth there. Okay, in Nifty it will be little bit choppy with gap up and gap down because the sgxnifty runs for a longer period of time. The trading hours is a lot longer, more than 15 hours per day. So that's why we'll use sgxnifty, and also I'll start with higher time frames like weekly and then go to daily and then go to 4 hours time frame to see where the price action could be next. Okay, so that we can get a view if Nifty will go up or it will go down. Okay, so let's get into the chart. So this is sgxnifty. Okay, you can search it like this, sgxnifty. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Okay, so you can see here that the price is at this level. This was the high that which Nifty made recently. Okay, after that it came down up to this level. The current level is 1858. Okay, so I have drawn this blue color resistance line to mark a resistance. Okay, this high. Okay, and then so that it will help us in analyzing the price action when we go to smaller time frames. Okay, so first let me use the 150, no, let me use the 30 period moving average. Okay, to see if this place is at a support level or not, the current price. Okay, so I will use the 30 period moving average now. Okay, so you can clearly see that it is at a support level. Okay, you can see what happened earlier when it took support there in 30 period. See, Nifty was going down here, and when it took support in 30 period moving average, it directly went up. Okay, now the same thing, the current scenario is also almost similar. Okay, so it might go again up to this level or even go even higher than that. Okay, this could happen. This is one possible scenario. Okay, so seeing this, the weekly chart, it currently looks like, you know, Nifty could go up. Okay, so what I will do is I will use this arrow mark here. So green arrow mark, I am giving the upside arrow mark, so that we know that there is one factor which tells us that Nifty could go up. Okay, now let's use the 150 moving average and see if it is giving us any other indication or not. Okay, so currently it is far away, the price is far away from 150 period moving average in weekly. Okay, so it's of no use as of now. Now let's jump into the daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame we can see this price action. Now let's quickly use the 150 moving average to see if there is any signal. Okay, so we can see in daily time frame the 150 period moving average is acting as a support in this, I mean as of now. Okay, the current price action is being supported by 150 moving average. So I will use another green arrow here. There is another factor which favors the uptrend. Okay, so now let me close it. Now let's see what the 30 period moving average tells us. Okay, the 30 period moving average is above the price, and this tells us that Nifty is in downtrend. So the simpler version is like this: Nifty is in uptrend in a larger picture, but in shorter time frame it is in downtrend. Okay, but the higher time frame has more value and more weight than the lower time frame. So if Nifty is in uptrend in higher time frame, then it could mean that it might go sideways for a while and then it will continue its uptrend. Okay, this is a high probability scenario. Okay, but as we are getting this 30 period moving average telling us that it will go down, so let's use one red arrow mark here. That one factor is telling that Nifty could go down. Okay, now we'll close the moving average and use some drawing tools to measure, okay, some of the price action. So first I will use the fib retracement. Okay, fib retracement I will use. I am drawing the fib lines. Okay, this is the point, the higher one, and this point I have taken as lower. Let me mark with marker. This is the top I have taken, and this line is the bottom. You can see the zero line here. Okay, so we can see, let me delete this one. There are two blue lines and there might be a confusion for you. Let me delete it. Okay, so you can see that the Nifty is taking support at the 0.5 line. So when the price takes support at 0.5 line, it means that it is in strong uptrend. Okay, when it goes down to 0.382, it means that it is in weak uptrend. If it is in uptrend, okay, then it is in weak uptrend if it goes down to this level. So when it takes support here 0.5, it is in strong uptrend, so which is the present scenario. Okay, and let's say Nifty did take support here in the upper line 0.618, then it is in very strong uptrend. Okay, so that is how we measure it. Let's delete these things. Okay, so as of now we can see that Nifty is at taking support at 0.5 line. So this tells us that Nifty is in uptrend. In lower time frame also, Nifty most probably is going to change its trend to uptrend. Okay, because it is not going below this line 0.5 line. So I will add another upside green arrow here. Okay, fine. So now let's use another tool that is called the modify skiff fork. Okay, so what we do is we measure it by taking 3 points. Okay, first we will switch to 4 hours. Okay, to get a even shorter time frame view. Okay, yes, so I will use these three. Okay, the recent ones, these 3 points I will use, this one, and this one. Okay, to see what Nifty is doing. Okay, this is the tool. I'll start here, then touch here, and then here. Okay, so this plays a similar role like the fib retracement, but in a different way. So you can see this middle black line. Okay, let me explain. I know if these drawing tools might be confusing to you, but it's okay. You don't have to understand everything as of now. The only thing that matters to you is if Nifty will go up or down. As of now, later on I will make videos on how to use these tools effectively. I have filtered only the very important tools and I personally use them all the time. Okay, there are hundreds of tools, we don't need them. We need only 2 or 3 to get additional confirmation on the price action, but price action is always the most important thing. Please remember that. Okay, so you can see this middle black line. So when the price does not go below this black line and then slowly starts and makes this green line as a support level, then there is a high probability that it will go up. Okay, so you can consider this black line as the 0.5 level of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so here also it tells the same thing. You can see it is constantly taking support in this line. Okay, the black line, you can see. Okay, so in coming 1 week we will be sure about the the direction of Nifty, if it will go up or it will go down. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit to Delhi. First of all, let me delete the drawings and this tool also. Okay, so we'll add one more green arrow because there is another factor which tells us that Nifty could go up. Okay, so as of now we have got 4 green arrows and 1 red arrow. Okay, this is one more. Fine. So let's do one thing. Let's go to 4 hours again and use the 150 period moving average to see. Okay, so as of now it is below 150 periods moving average also, and the 30 period is also down. So we can add one more red arrow. Okay, this clearly tells us, so this is kind of a mixed signal. Okay, this tells us that Nifty will go sideways for a little longer than this. Okay, it might go for maybe 2 days, 3 days, or maybe 4 days more, or sideways, or maybe the entire week. The coming week might entirely go in just sideways action, and then from the next week onwards it will show its direction. Okay, either up or down. Okay, so that is all about Nifty, and let's see what the price action of next week tells us. It could rapidly go up or rapidly go down depending on the price action. and I will give an update video on this also. Okay, so please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.